Today we shall deal about dielectrics and polarization. Dielectrics are non-conducting substances. In contrast to conductors, they have no charge carriers. In dielectrics, this free movement of charges is not possible. It turns out that the external field induces dipole moment by stretching or reorienting molecules of the dielectric. The collective effect of all the molecular dipole moments is not charges on the surface of the dielectric which produce a field that opposes the external field. Like in a conductor, the opposing field so induced does not exactly cancel the external field. It only reduces the extent of the effect depends on the nature of the dielectric. We need to look at the charge distribution of a dielectric at the molecular level. The molecule of substance may be polar or non-polar. In non-polar molecule, the centers of positive and negative charges coincide. The molecule then has no permanent dipole moment. Examples of non-polar molecules are oxygen, O2, and hydrogen. The molecules which, because of their symmetry, have no dipole moment. On the other hand, a polar molecule is one in which the centers of positive and negative charges are separated. Such molecules have a permanent dipole moment. तो पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स जो है परमानेंट डायपोल मोमेंट क्योंकि जो सेंटर दोनों मॉलिक्यूल्स का है वो सेपरेटेड होता है, कंसाइड नहीं करता। तो इस केस में एन आयोनिक मॉलिक्यूल सच एज HCl or a molecule of water are examples of polar molecules as shown in the figure. Now, this is polar molecules, HCl, and this is non-polar molecules, H2 and CO. In non-polar molecules, the center of two molecules are coincident, are straight in one line, but in the polar molecules they are separated. So these have permanent dipole moment, these have no permanent dipole moment. A dielectric with polar molecules also develops a net dipole moment in an external field, but for a different reason. In the absence of any external field, the different permanent dipoles are oriented randomly due to thermal agitation. So the total dipole moment is zero. When an external field is applied, the individual dipole moment tend to align with the field. When summed over all the molecules, there is no net dipole moment in the direction of the external field. It means the dielectric is polarized. Thus, whether polar or non-polar, a dielectric develops a net dipole moment in the presence of an external field. The dipole moment per unit volume is called polarization and is denoted by P for linear isotropic dielectric P बराबर XE, where Xe is the constant characteristic of the dielectric and is known as dielectric susceptibility of the dielectric medium. It opposes the electrical flow of charges in any conductor. Thus, dielectrics and polarization are related with it. In this way, polarization जो हो गया dipole moment per unit volume P is equal to Xe into electric field E बराबर Xe